Important to understand that everybody wants to be understood but no one wants to understand. Means everybody want to speak but no one want to listen. That's why I'm here to explain you.
Hello everyone. So today's video is very short and specifically for everyone who is trying to improve their communication skill. So basically, communication skill is something that is two-sided. Like one person speaks and second person listens. So recently, I got an attachment to learn about the listening skills, more about it. And it's not that a person who knows how to listen has a listening skill. I would like to elaborate with some example that how can you improve your communication skills. The first thing is that whenever I'm asking a question, imagine your father or your brother coming to you, or you are going to him or her just to ask that bro, can I go out, and is it a good idea to go out this day or this place? And you are just like, and your brother doesn't even look at you and say, yeah, it's good, it's okay, yeah, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Like he's using his own phone or something and he says it's okay. How do you feel at that moment? If it is a very urgent decision of your life that I'm going to study in a foreign country, and your brother even doesn't do a single research about it, and they just decide to say okay, how do you feel about it? So exactly, if you feel bad about it, that you are not being taken care and you're not being observed, that yes, I really need a concern about it and someone is listening me carefully, that shows that the person's listening ability is very bad, the skill of listening is missing. So whenever you are with anyone where you are there for communication, where you are there for talking to an individual, make sure to do an eye contact, make sure to give a respect. For example, if your father enters in your room to ask you something about your future, you can't be scrolling your phone and telling him, yeah, I'm doing good. You must make sure to remove your phone away, keep the phone away, and then look at that person and say, yeah, you are talking something. Make that person feel that you are important, make that person feel that that person's topic is important. Because what's point of being connected to thousands of people on a fake social networking, which network is not even belonging to you, you don't even know people, all the people you are connected, but the real people who are around you, you are missing the communication skill. Will you, like, you enter in your boss room and he has been just looking in his computer and using his iPad or phone, etc., and you have been asking, boss, can I get an urgent leave because my wife or my daughter is sick? And the boss says, yeah, you can just apply. Is that boss nice? Boss A. Or the second boss, you just go to him and say that, boss, I need a leave for my wife, she is sick. And the boss says, oh, what's wrong with your wife, and hope she gets well soon, and then you can take your leave and go ahead with the leave. I will arrange someone to look after your work. Which boss do you prefer? Because not everything is just money and earning. It's more about where you get more human relationship. You need to build a communication more with your heart and brain together, not just with your words. Please, it's my humble request. Start prioritizing people who are around you. Don't wait for them to die and then you write rest in peace. Start prioritizing them every day, every moment. Whenever they approach to talk, show your communication skills. Respect them. You start removing phone. You know what happened? A research shows that every child who stops sharing things with their parents, most of them, more than 80 to 90% of the kids who stop sharing with their parents, is the reason is when they were child and they come after playing and then they tell you the story. Papa, you know what happened today? I fall down from the cycle. And the papa is like, what? Oh, okay, I have an office work urgent. He is your child, he is going to not talk to you anymore anything in future. You have to start responding to kids, to your friends, to your close friends. Don't be ignorant to things happening around you. If your kids are sharing anything, remove your phone, remove the distractions for 2 minutes. If not, tell them, sorry, I am busy, I will listen the thing again. Otherwise, one day that person will stop telling and sharing with you. For example, it's a last and a very accurate example for you, that if you have a best friend or if you have a friend where you want to share your things and you you go to that person and tell them, you know what, I was so sick, I am so tired that I have been sick for 1 week and I have been working so hard in my life, and you are trying to tell that person, and that person says, oh, okay. What does that mean? Means that person has no interest. So after telling one thing, two things, three things in your life, So we need to learn responsive and responsible communication skills. You have to do a follow up. Hey, you are not good. Are you good now or not? That shows a communication skills with a EQ. If you don't have emotional quotient, your communication skills does not matter. And for your kind reminder, no matter how knowledgeable you are, how talented you are, if you miss communication skill in your skill, trust me, it is impossible to do anything unless you are only involved in your own life and doing like coding stuffs. Otherwise, to live in the society, communication skill is the must. So to begin with, to learn any lesson, communication skill is the most important thing. Thank you so much. Hope you learned something, and I'll make sure in my life whenever I'm talking to someone, I'll prioritize that person and remove all the distraction, though it be a distraction of your mobile phone, gadgets, or anything else. Thanks a lot. Hope you learned something, and if you have any question, just drop me here or Instagram, anywhere. Thank you so much, and please like this video and subscribe the channel if you like the content. Thank you.